How to fix unable to install Scarlet on iOS. If you're trying to install Scarlet on your iPhone or iPad and you're getting errors like unable to install Scarlet, don't worry, in this video I'll show you exactly how to fix it, so you can get Scarlet up and running again. Now what you can do is simply open your settings app, scroll down a little bit and simply go to General. From there you have to find VPN and Device Manager. Here, make sure nothing is being connected to VPN, or VPN is simply not connected to any other service. Now, let's move on to date and time. Make sure that automatically or set automatically has been set up. After that, what you can simply check is go to your software update and make sure your phone is running in the latest software. If there is not, simply update it right now. Lastly, what you need to check is if it has been any problem in content restriction. Simply go to screen time and scroll down until you find an option called content and privacy restriction. Simply tap on it and make sure it is toggled off. And that's it. By using these of the methods, you now be able to simply install Scarlet on your iPhone.